Hello everyone, I'm Kelsey Lemon, Senior Technical Marketing Manager with the Cloud Management Business Unit here at VMware, and I'm excited to share the latest updates to the Skyline service that I'm sure you'll find valuable in your day-to-day work of keeping the environments that you manage out of harm's way. So at a high level, this release gives you the ability to compare your findings and recommendations against Skyline's entire findings catalog. You can view support requests raised by team members. You can access more detailed inventory lists, and you can hide unwanted findings and recommendations. And of course, there are new findings and recommendations that help make your environments less vulnerable to harm. So with that, let's jump right in and see these updates in action. The new findings catalog provides you with increased visibility into all the issues and vulnerabilities Skyline checks for. The findings are sortable by severity, category, finding, and date. Reviewing the findings catalog enables you to specifically look for a finding that could be affecting your environment. For example, if you want to see all of the critical vulnerabilities for security that Skyline checks for, you can go to the findings catalog, identify them, and then go back to your active findings tab to see if your environment is impacted by that same vulnerability. With this knowledge, you can make more informed decisions about how you plan on addressing them. The next update is an expansion of a highly requested feature, SR visibility. In a previous update, Skyline introduced entitlement account linking, and as you know, that update gave admins the ability to see all SRs submitted for their entitlement with the Skyline Advisor dashboard. This update takes it a step further by giving admins the ability to act on their support requests with LogSys. To activate this functionality, toggle the View Support Request Raised by Team Members option in the Skyline Advisor Settings tab. And with it enabled, you can submit log bundles on behalf of your extended team, as well as approve and reject log bundle requests made by the technical support engineers who are working on your team's support requests. And if you're wondering, the answer is yes. You can also be notified via email when log assist support requests become available as well. We hope you'll agree that this updated workflow better reflects the collaborative way in which teams work when it comes to dealing with support requests. This release also introduces an improvement to your user experience when working within the inventory view. The addition of the type column for each object, along with the appropriate icon for that type, allows you to quickly identify and differentiate the components that comprise your environment. This comes in especially handy when working with VMware Cloud Foundation deployments, where you need to quickly identify objects in your workload and management domains. The last update is a change in UI terminology. As part of VMware's ongoing diversity and inclusion initiative, we've renamed Muted Findings to Hide Hidden Findings. Feature uses and functionality remain the same. Simply select the findings that you want to hide and select the Hide button. All hidden findings will now appear under the Hidden Findings tab. The process of hiding findings from objects remains unchanged. Simply navigate to the object that you no longer wish to report findings and recommendations and select the eye icon to hide them. And of course, no Skyline update would be complete without the addition of new findings and recommendations. This release delivers proactive findings and recommendations in the following categories: technical support trending issues, VMware security advisories, technical support post-escalation issues, VMware Cloud Foundation design decisions, as well as Skyline endpoint certification expiration. This concludes the overview of the features and enhancements in this release. Log into the service and start implementing them today.